Hello children, today we are going to see part of a collection. We will see how to find half of a collection, one third of a collection and one fourth of a collection. See the first question given here. Color one half. So we will count how many chicks are given. And here you will see that total altogether 10 chicks are given, right? So what we will do is we will divide 10 by 2 because it is half. So we will divide 10 by 2 and here you can see when you divide 10 by 2, you will get 2 5s are 10. Okay. That means I have to color 5 chicks. Half of 10 is 5. So here I have colored 5 chicks. Okay. Now see the next question. You have to color one half. And what is the picture given here? You can see the parrots are given. Now count how many parrots are there. In one row you can see 7 parrots are given, right? And in the other row also 7 parrots are given. So 7 twos are 14 parrots altogether. It means now I have to divide 14 by 2. So here 2 sevens are 14. You can see at the right place I have done the division also. You also will have to do the same to know how many parrots you need to shade. So here 14 divided by 2 is 7. So I have to shade 7 parrots and here you can see 7 parrots are shaded. Now see this question, color one third. So now I will count number in the figure. So how many are they altogether? 3 in the first row and 3 in the second row. So 3 twos are 6 in all. It means now I have to divide 6 by 3. Why I have divided by 3? Because you can see you have to shade one third. So 3 is the denominator. Okay. So when you divide 6 by 3, you get 2. 3 twos are 6. It means I have to shade 2 stars. Yes. Now see this question. You have to color one third. So again you will count how many shapes are given. So let's see and count how many are there in one row. So here you can see that in one row there are 6 figures altogether. And in the second row also there are 6. Third row also 6. So altogether 6 threes are 18, right? It means now I have to divide 18 by 3. Why by 3? Because it's one third. So I have divided 18 by 3 and 3 6 are 18. It means I have to shade 6 figures, right? Now check this figure. Color one fourth. The question given is. Now I will count how many elephants are there altogether. In first row how many are there? 5. And how many such rows you can see? 4 rows. It means 5 fours are 20 elephants in all. It means now I will divide 20 by 4. Why? Because it's 1/4 you need to color. Okay, so when you divide 20 by 4, you get 5. So the quotient is 5. 4 5s are 20. It means you need to color 5 elephants, right? Now look at this question. Use the pictures to solve. The prices are given for 1 kg. It means 1 kg of apple cost rupees 36. 1 kg of grapes cost rupees 24. 1 kg of chiku cost rupees 28. And what is the cost of 1 kg mangoes? Yes, it's 48 rupees. Okay. Now see, Arav bought half kg apples, 1/4 kg chiku and 2 kg mangoes. And you need to find out how much Arav spent altogether. Now let's find out what is the cost of half kg apples. Now see in the picture, 1 kg of apple cost rupees 36 and you are asked to find out how much is the cost of half kg. That means 36 you have to divide by 2. So you will see that you get 18 over there, right? It means half kg of apple costs rupees 18. Now let us see how much Arav has to pay for 1/4 of chiku. So now let's see what is the cost of 1 kg of chiku. You can see that it's 28 and you want 1/4 of the price, right? So 28 divided by 4. When you divide, you will see that 4 sevens are 28. So 1/4 kg of chiku cost rupees 7. Now let us see how much Arav has to pay for 2 kg of mangoes. Now see that what is the cost of mangoes for 1 kg, and here you can see that it's rupees 48 and you want 2 kg of mangoes, right? So 48 into 2 you need to do and you will see that it is 96. It means that Arav has to pay rupees 96 for 2 kg of mangoes. So now we will find out how much Arav spent altogether on the fruits. So he paid rupees 18 for half kg of apples, rupees 7 for 1/4 kg of chiku and rupees 96 for 2 kg of mangoes. So when you add up 18, 7 and 96, you will get 121. You can see that it's shown over here also. Fine. So write the final answer as Arav spent rupees 121 altogether.